going on, traders? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. It's Sunday. The futures are open. I'm already trading. I'm going to show you all about the futures, what's going on with that, how we're doing it, and we'll head right over there. I got to let my dog out of the room because now he's all scared because I'm talking. So just read the disclaimer. I'll be right back. Alrighty now. What's going on? You could see my screen. I'll show you the trades I've already done. Let's fly on over there. There we go. So I'm sharing my screen right now. I'm gonna start my Discord little event. What's going on there, Mr. Sub-Zero? How you doing this evening? Welcome to the Mojo Room. So you could see I've already done some trades here. Look, I've actually traded like this bar right here. I sold, I'm always shorting. So I'm selling here at the top. I'm buying here on this red bar. And then I did another trade right there. I shorted on that one, covered on the bottom of that one. So I've done a couple of trades, made $47.50 so far. Just on a couple of lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So always less than one lot. These are micros. So yeah, futures are open 23 hours a day. They close from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. No, from 5 p.m. They close at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. maybe. Oh, look at that rise. So I'm going to take one right here. Look, boom, short. Take another one up here, like 96. It may head towards 13.2, which is right there. Otherwise, look, I'm already in the green. Take a quick profit. This would be $6 or $60 on a regular. And yeah, that was a good print. So I'm watching the book map right here. And I just got filled right there on that good trade live. Should have done a regular NQ instead of a micro and could have done more. But hey, what are you gonna? Got to take what it gives you. I'll take $5. And done. Nice trade. So you could see it just printed that on this bar right there. That was this lot right here, 1 and 1. Now it's right back up. So if I didn't take that profit, I wouldn't have made anything. What's up, Mr. Parker? How you doing? We're in the Mojo chat and in the day trading pit. You guys have any questions? You need me to help you set up your computer, anything like that? Definitely let me know. Your microphone's alive for sure. Anybody on YouTube got any questions like that also? Let's go. I'll show you how to get set up on your screen. Ooh, we're rising up again. I got an order up there. Go live. Shoot another one right up here. I'll take another one. Take 2 this time. Only got filled on 1. If it comes down here to $6 at this, let's go to the biggest number in here is 2 low. Ooh, woo, woo, big. I'll take it. Take it. Take it. Thank you. Gotta have poker chips, guys. Now I can play with my poker chips and stuff, you know? Dude, that's coin. That's $57. But what it did was it copied it across 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. So I didn't make $60. I made $240. Pretty cool, huh? Yes, sir. Let's hop into my Discord. It's a free community. Message me. I'll show you how to get set up and start trading. I'm a coach. I'll coach you. I coach traders. I coach golf. I could teach you how to play golf. I had a great lesson today with one of my students that I teach. When he started with me, he couldn't even hit the freaking ball. First thing I did is I changed his grip, had him starting like hitting a couple of balls like he was like, whoa, and compressed it, right? Today, after our second lesson, he hit last 5 shots in a row, 6 iron, right over the back of the pin, about 170. And I'm like, dude, now you got to hit the 7 iron. We'll land it in front, let it roll up to the pin. Grab the 7, hit it, landed it in the front, rolled up to the pin. I said, can you believe what we're talking about now? This accuracy. He was like so stoked. It was sick. I love doing that with traders, with us golfers and traders as well, man. I could show everybody how to do it. Yes, sir. So that last one was a good one, man. I got that thing all the way up there. I got another order up there at 93 on the Dom. So I trade the bars, man. Can you believe, like, in this green bar, I was short and made money? Can you believe that? In this, like, I made money in this green bar, I shorted it and made money in that red bar on the way down. Can you believe that? This red bar, that's all I did was this one red bar. And if I didn't, it went right back up, and even higher, I would have lost. So trading off the charts means absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hey, Parker, Andres, and Sub-Zero, I'm in the day trading pit. How you guys doing? That's what I got going on. So, yeah. Futures are amazing. These, good, man. Apex has a 90% sale. Bullnox has 90% off sale. Lilo has 90% off sale. That's like a $50,000 account is less than $20. You could put up a $20 bill, get a $50,000 evaluation account. You can ham it. I mean, either go balls to the wall, make 50, bust it, get up there like on these. I'll show you. Like these 3 right here are just sitting here. This is from last week. These are ready to get funded. Whoa, where is that? 53, 53, 53, ready to rock and roll right there. So you bang them out, you get funded, and the strategy is you don't trade the PA accounts like you do those funded accounts. No. Different. What you got to do is you got to make $300 a day, and if you lose 300, you're done. You just stop for the day, come back the next day, trade your other account, because you'll win 18 out of 20 days. So with that math, do the math. Now, $300 a day, okay, for 10 days, $3,000. 20 days, $6,000. Leave in 4, take out 2. And do it across 10 accounts. It's $20,000 a month. $240,000 a year. And you're only making $300 a day. You don't need to make the money rains down on you. When you're copy trading, you have multiple accounts with the firms. So you can get 10 accounts for $200. That's $500,000 in trading capital for $200. And you can make $300 a day for 10 days. That's $3,000. Keep 2, cash out 1. Next 10 days, keep 2 in there, cash out 1. That's $2,000 a month profit on 10 accounts. That's $20,000. You have 50 accounts. That's $100,000. Yeah. And I'll help you keep track. I'll coach you. I'll show you what to do. All that stuff, guys. That's what I do for all my traders in the Mojo trading room. What's up, Trader 911? Just popped into the Mojo chat room. What's going on? Here we go. Got my live screen share right here going on in the chat room. Got my traders 911. What's up? What's up? Andres, Sing Shark just popped in. Mr. Sub-Zero, welcome to the team. Going to show you exactly how to do it like you just heard. We trade off the DOM. We trade the bars. We don't trade the chart. What I do in the morning is very, very, very simple. I am the master at drawing lines on the chart, guys. Okay, like this. See, we have data already. Like in the beginning in this open, there was no data. And like with Bookmap, there was no data in the beginning. Now there's some data. So check it. This is when it opened right here. And this is where it is right now. So let's go to a little bit of a bigger view like this. So now that there's data, all I do is go like this. Watch. This shows you that there's really big support down here. But it's nowhere near that. It hit a bottom off that right here. But that's not the real range. The real range is this line right here, where it is right now. This line right here. This is a temporary line, and this is a temporary. So right here, we're in this box. Right here from 91 to 85, the 6 points right here is what I'm trading. Okay, so I'm looking for this break of 90 or this break of 85, these even numbers, this $5 box. It breaks down, it'll go maybe retest this red bar down here. If it breaks up, it'll test the top of that. And it could break out above that and go right into the 200, the magnet number right there. This is where it's most probably going to go because it's closest to that number, is the 13.2. And it was already up very close there a little bit ago right there. It opened above that. It opened up at 13.213. So we have a bigger view. It's not giving me a lot of data. Let's go back 60 minutes. See what it gives. It's a lot of trading. Look at that. Let me take that off the screen so we can see what's going on. That's good. All right, still loading the data on there because I right-clicked to get rid of that. Up $18.50 on my other. All right, this is not working. It's loading too much data. Come on. Anybody have any questions about trading? How many payouts have you had so far with Apex? My first payout was in August of last year. I had 2 accounts. I got $2,000 each with that system I told you about right there. And that was August of last year. I started getting payouts with Apex BF. And now they're better than ever. So you come on in. You know, like Cadell and Brad and a lot of guys in the room, you'd be getting payouts from Apex and Bull Knox and Lilo and Earn Max and One Up Trader and Tick Tick, Take Profit Trader, Funded Trader. And yeah, you're only trading for 5 minutes. I'm done for the day. Trading done. Goodbye. Shut it off. You can trade for an hour. This way, if you mess up one, you got 6 other accounts, man. You don't like just done. And you don't trade all of them at once. You trade groups. I got 550s, I got a couple of hundreds, I got a couple 250s, and I trade them in the groups like that because you can't trade the 50s like you do the 250s. All right, this thing's loading too much data. I messed up by going with the chart like that. Still loading the data. But yeah. And it's heading up towards an order. I don't like that. Let's cancel that order. Cancel. Doom. So anybody have any other good questions, man? You got some good questions. Let's go. So what I did was it wouldn't shut off. So I did a Control-Alt-Delete into the task manager and ended the Ninja program. Now I'm going to restart the Ninja program. Which firm has the shortest amount of time until you pay out? Apex is 17 trading days. For 10 in the PA, and yeah, Tick is the same as Apex. One Up Trader actually has weekly payouts. One Up Trader, and the other ones are long. Lilo is long. Earn Max is long. 25 days. And you just go from one table to the other, dude. And that's it. I do it 20 days. $300 a day, BF, for 20 days is $6,000. You keep in 4, you take out 2. I mean, what's better than that? Some of the firms you could leave and take out, but you have to take out above that cushion. So if you go to 53, you got to go over 52.6. You got to go to 54.6 to take out 2 to go back to 52.6. So why cut it like that? Just do $300 a day for 20 days. That's it. 10 days for the eval. You're done. You passed. Dude, $300 a day for 10 days, $300, $3,000, done. Then you go for 20 days, 1 month. Do it 20 days in a row, $300. Some days you make a little more, some days you make a little bit less, but do it on the average. You lose one day, 300, move to the next one. Come back, you win 18 out of 20 days, and then $300 a day on 20 days is $6,000. You leave in 4, take out 2 per 5 or 10 accounts, and you're freaking rocking and rolling, baby. Yeah, I got it reset now. I got it reset. Let's see, I got it reset. So we're just gonna get off that shit. I hate that. Fuck, I don't want to do. I just did it for the team, man. For the team, dude. So let's go into data series. Let's get off this test and marker and do not plot, nothing, apply, okay, and get rid of that. Let's get rid of this chart trader right here. Get rid of that. We don't need that off right there on the chart trader. That's it, guys. Look at that. I like check out the tick, the 200 tick, instead of the 1 minute. Same thing. It look a little bit different. A little diff. That's that was a big move right there on the 1 minute. Looks a little. I like the 1 minute. Looks a little bit better. But that's by the minute, not by the actual trades. The tick is the actual trade. Yeah. Hey, man, Mr. Cadell's in the room. What's up? He's the killer from Manila, Candilla. Would jump on VC, but I'm visiting friends. Oh, no problem. Thank you for even saying hello in the Mojo Discord. Mr. Cadell. He did a video for Apex. Funded and paid. Mentioned Mojo. They clipped that out, dude. He mentioned the Moj. It's awesome. Yes, sir. So I'm doing a new live training class for futures. Part of the class is, you see these chips? Gotta have chips on your desk. So I make 300 bucks. Look, that's a $100 chip right there. That's 3 of those. So let's say I made 325 for the day. There's 350 right there. 350. I'll take that. Put it on my desk. The next day, another 350. All of a sudden, look how much chips I got. I take that to the register. I cash this in for this, a $1,000 chip. I make 10 of those. I cash that in for that, a $10,000 chip. I build up to those chips with these, the $500 purples and the yellows. And I'm a money-making machine. I'm building my chip stack. I know how much I could lose and win with my chips right here in front of me. These are the accounts right here on my desk. The big, heavy clay chips. And then you got to learn, sitting on your hands with patience, how to twirl the chips. Like that, with the left hand and the right hand. And I've actually gotten better with the left now because I hold the mouse with the right. So I can sit here with both hands and twirl the chips. So if I sit there at the poker table with you and I'm like, he's like, dude, look, he's double barreling the chips. You'd be like, dude, this guy plays a lot, or he trades a lot. Is he a mojo trader? Is he a mojo trader, man? He's flinging the chips left and right with both hands, not even looking at them. He's a Moss poker player. Let's go. We can play poker in the chat room. Let's go. You go out here, start an activity. Let's go. Who wants to play poker tonight? We can play checkers in the park. I'll play with you. Let's go poker night right here. Who wants to play? Let's go. Hop on into the Discord. Let's play a game of pokes for 100 bucks. Go to the control panel, tools database, scroll to the bottom, select reset database. I'll do that right now because you're the man. So go into the chart, go into control panel, tools database management. So let's go into control panel, tools, database management, right there. Scroll to the bottom, select reset, update, futures expires. There's no scroll to the bottom. Rollover, update, reset. Ooh. I must disconnect. So I go tools, database management, reset DB, reset, yes. Ha, look at that. Cadell, look at getting freaking BF from YouTube hooking me up like a champ. Gotta love that. It's still updating. Bogged me down. It's resetting the DB. It'll take a while. Now my screen's messed up. You want to come play poker? Pink. Nice. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Ooh, we got a trade. I'm going on my other computer. I'm in. You must restart Ninja. Ooh, I'm in on my other computer. I'm in on a trade right here. Just made a really high run up. Look at 95. I just got in all the way up here on my other computer. Just made a big spike. Look. It's loading. Is it that far behind? No. There we go. See that crypto, man? Ethereum's huge, bro. Look, told you it made a run up. 96. I'll go 97. It was not going to fly through and go to 2200. Yeah, we'll wait a couple of minutes. But yeah, there you go. Let me get off this data series stuff. Do not plot, apply, okay. Yes, sir. 200 tick, here we go. I'll take a trade. Let's go. Oh, not there. Let's go 96, 97, and 98. We'll go 95 too. I'll just spread it out. Do a trade for you guys. This is for you, BF. Show you how you can just, don't matter what the chart does, what it is, I'll just spread them out and fill. I'll either make a lot, it'll go right in my favor, or I'll take a little bit more and break even on half, let the others run, or I'll take even a little bit more and just love the micros and break even on all of it or trade out of a loss. That's the only three things that can happen to me. The worst thing is I get stopped out on the trade and I lose $300 and it stops me out on the rhythmic back end. I just missed a big trade in front of you, but my other computer, I got a bunch of them. I'm going to take a profit. Because look at that red bar down. I nailed it on my other computer. Let's go. Fill me up. 95, 96, 97. What's up, James? James in the Mojo room. I'm sending you a message so you know it's the real me. Oh, I already messaged you. Holy crap, dude. I gave you LHDX at 16 cents and it went to 75. It went to $4, dude. Holy crap. Look at this James guy in the room. I gave him LHDX at 16 cents. Dude, it went to $4. EOSC is up 100%. Shrax is up 100%. Swivel's up 400%. Damn, dude, I gave you some good picks. Said you ready to join? He's back. Dude, did you see the guy with TRKA made $500,000 in the Mojo room this month? Look. Right here. Oh, Jose came to my room. I said, dude, this guy right here is gonna cancel and want his money back because he's Spanish. He doesn't even understand a word I'm saying. He wants the course, but the course is in English and he doesn't have like a translator. And I'm like, he's totally going to cancel and want his money. And he comes to me. He's like, oh, thank you, Michael Mojo, for working so hard with the group. Because I was like, dude, I'll get you a translator. We'll have a one-on-one coaching. I took it slow with him. He says, for helping me be consistent and able to approve 3 Apex accounts, just waiting to complete in days. Although I still don't control the screens and inputs as you do, but I have managed to get an idea of how you do it and operate now to be perfect and keep progressing slowly. That's awesome, dude. You don't even speak a word of English. This guy says your former student turned master made $450,000 in TRKA stock. Phew, holy mama. That was like rushed me for like 450,000, went right to my head on that. Damn, that last trade, I should have freaking held it. What a red bar. Holy crap. Holy mama, look at the size of that red bar, dude. On that last one. Damn, I had a sneeze attack. So yeah, I missed a couple of good shorts right there on that last move up. Oh well, what you gonna do? Subscribe. So I got a sweet sneeze attack there. But anyway, here's this guy's win, guys. Look at this. $800,000 in proceeds. Cost basis $369. Total gain $447,000. He made more than he put into it, over 100%. He sold it on March 7th. Amazing, right? Life-changing in the Mojo room. Here's Detective. I've been in the group less than a week. Mike, just in one day, I understand the benefit of trading off and using the Dom. How he does his safe play and stays in profit. After watching his guidance, great thing based on SQQQ. Yes, sir. Love you. Thank you. Here's another one, and 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 amazing. And yes, oh my gosh, amazing. I figured it out. Yes, I did. Video's gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That last short was gold, baby. That shit was gold. All right, guys. So that's pretty amazing. Since nobody has any more questions, it was just me and BF tonight. And yeah, peace, guys. I sent out the Swing Trade newsletter tonight. You guys missed it, man. You shouldn't miss it. Here's my LinkedIn, bro. I'm live on LinkedIn right there. Let me show you some schnizzle dizzle in the rizzle. Look at that swing newsletter right here. You get access to the swing. Look at that swing. Let's go. 94 is all the way up there. There's 94, 95. Went all the way down to 90, guys. Make sure you close before you close it out. Make sure you close everything. And YouTube's always behind, man. Always 30 seconds behind. It's crazy. That was a big spike back up. A pretty big spike back up. How come this chart's different? This chart's the 1 minute. 1 minute's different. Shows a much bigger spike. Yeah, see? I like that. Still only at 92. I want to get up to 95 and 97 all the way up there. So let me show you where I was at. Right here's the swing. Check out this bad boy. The swing newsletter. You guys want to get in on that shit? $100 off, man. Check this badass out. A lot of the stocks are making moves my size right now, even though it's so that from my $1.70. Keep an eye on my size, guys. Kodak last week went over to 430. I didn't sell it. I'm still in it. Big deal. It's down an ad right here. Get my cost basis to 380. Here, QNCR. Let's go through last month right here, January. Look at these picks. LHDX 75 cents, but that thing went higher, bro. NBY went up 42%. IMTE 32, 37, 41, 15 on Palisade Bio, 40 on 180 Life Sciences, 275 on Swivel. Sold it at 45. It's a $1.05. Look at that action. This is January swing newsletter. These are the days. The newsletters, either 1-2 newsletter, the 1-8 newsletter. They come out every Sunday night. Look at these picks from the January 8th. 56% on ALGS, 90% on iPower. Look at Genius from 47 cents to 505, 974%. Nailed Hellbiz for 205. Nailed 160 on Grom, 120 on Esports Entertainment. Look, it's back at 95, heading into the 2 again. Digital Alley, these are all my great swing picks. Black Box went up 102. Then in February, the closed trades. Ooh, delete this because this is done now. Delete. So February's closed trades had a couple of losers in the red, but always around 20%. This one was the biggest at 33, but offset by these 264 on SOUN at 125 to 455. And GFAI, check out GFAI, guys, at 17 cents. Things $35, man. Now it's 23, but last week it was $35, bro. 35 on GFAI. Told everyone they're all coming back now. Don't got to throw out a lot of new ones, but they're all coming back. Looking good. LHDX traded it again from 60 to 80. Let's go March. March wasn't as big. Got the swing trades right now. Got QNCR live at 35 cents. It's 30 cents. I'm going in a trade right here at 36 and 38. Hold on. Let's go 36 and 38. I'll go 35 too. Let's go. I'll leave 30. I'll go 36 and 38. I'll leave them in. So now I got from the 3.5 newsletter, PSHG shipping like top 9.4%. Let me adjust these prices. So this is a stop right here at 25. This 25. Number. This stop right here from above is $1.05. This stop right here that's at 93. We'll put it at 82. This one's $1.57. We in it at 120. I ain't letting it go lower than $1.30. This one, Smart Sand at 195 is $1.68. Has been over 2. Should probably add on to that one. It's from the 3.5 picks. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 on that date. This one's down 3% at 3%. IRNT doing nothing. Wejo, these doing nothing. My size, keep an eye on it. It's red. Kodak, keep an eye on it. Oh, that was a good pick. Oh my gosh, that last one. Woohoo! Wow, look how much that went down, guys. Did I get fit? It went all the way from here all the way down to here. That was a huge ass trade I just did, short. And if you shorted right there on the NASDAQ with me, you just made a big trade. Yes, sir. Great job. So now I did a OIG, down 9%, no big deal. If it's down 20, we're getting out. AMC is doing amazing. It was up at 550. Got the 550 covered call for 65 cents. Nope, that was the other one at 60. It was at 50. It's at 10%. Then NVAX at 850 is 916, 7% up, but it went high. And we got the NVAX covered call, the $10 expiration on 5.5 for 65 cents. Holy crap, that last one was amazing, dude. Look, right here at the top, show you my crosshair. Dude, don't be stupid with thinking there it is, crosshair, local. So right here at 13,195, 196, I nailed that. And it came all the way down there. It's beautiful. That was a beautiful nail. And then I got these 3 weed stocks, dude. Aurora Cannabis, Crone, and CGC. I think are going to come back, the weed stocks. The weed stocks. Yo, you be pro trader James, man. What do you think, dude? It's about time. I give you the swing, the futures, the coaching, the whole 9 yards combo pack, brother. Let's go. Oh, you missed out on a lot, dude, with me, James. But hey, there's no time than the better. At least I've been able to prove myself to you while you've been watching on the sidelines. While you've been watching on the sidelines, dude. I give you all that. Let me show you what it includes. Whoever's watching tonight, I give you the same deal as James. Check it out. James is getting a super discounted offer for $140. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how far that went down. Like to a new low from that last trade, BF. Holy shit. Oh my God, that was a money banger. Crazy. Make sure I cancel all those. So yeah, I'm gonna hook you up, brother. I'll hook you up. Anybody watching tonight for $149, I give you the Mojo chat room for a month. That's the sub. You get the level 2 video, 99 real world value. It's my best selling video for 10 years. How to trade off the level 2. Private coaching, which I'll give you for a month. $199 real world value right there. Do a lot of one-on-ones. And make sure you're on the right track to get funded, to get eval'd, funded, and paid in a month. Dosh Trader Pro platform is my platform that you get to watch my screen share. You get the toolbox and my masterclass. All that value of $23.61 for $149. Best freaking deal ever. And I'm giving you the swing trade newsletter, which I'm showing you how I'm going over here tonight. And I got 4 new picks tonight. So tonight is the 416 newsletter. Right here, 416. I got 5 picks. You want them? Whoops. Anybody want them? Or I'll just leave you be. Anybody want to see them picks? This week? 3 of them are in one sector alone. 3 of them are in one sector alone. Why not? Okay, I hook you up, Parker. Anybody out there on YouTube? I got to see a response. You should already be in it, Parker. Give me your email. I'll make sure you're in the newsletter, bro. Direct message me your email address so I can slam it in there. And give you access to this swing drive right here. I'll share it with you. This right here that you're looking at. Just message me directly. Don't put it out in the chat because then people will spam you. Damn, that was like the greatest short ever on that on that last trade. Look how low that went. To a new low. To a new low. Amazing. All right, Parks, I'm going to share it with you right now. Look. Done. Viewer. Share it anyway, even though you're a non-Google account. Done. Anyone want to see him? Type a 1 in the chat. I got 5 new picks. 3 of them are in one sector alone. They're amazing. Here's the comic strip. Dude, I scored $500,000 profit on that TRA kick by Pro Trader Mike. I knew I should have joined Mojo Day Trading. There's the comic for tonight. That's pretty funny. You want to see the picks? My market analysis has been spot on. GFAI, FRGT has been sick. Went up 300% FRGT. My size, O-Blog. You want to see something funny? My competition. I sent my newsletter out at like 1 o'clock. Every week, like my competition reads my newsletter and then they construct their newsletter around it. Look at Nate's newsletter this week for Nate. investors on the ground. Like long time, huge trader. Let's see how many of his picks are my picks. You ready? Watch. So blah, 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 INPX. Which one of my picks is in this newsletter tonight out of my top 5? The second one is INPX. It's too coincidental, Nate. Let's go to the next pick, shall we? A CNSP? Nah. NIR? Nah. NVAX? There's my pick. NVAX is my pick. OBLG, there's my pick. Here it is. OBLG, there's my size. I'm surprised you didn't put out my size. And there's OBLG, there's the other one, Mariah, and MCLD, MCloud, artificial intelligence stocks. Okay, so yeah, like out of your 13 stocks, 80% of them are from my picks. So I have MCLD provides asset management solutions combining Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and cloud software, up 978% increase in volume to 46 cents, headed over that 75 cents here on the chart. April 26, coming out with earnings focused on artificial intelligence. I saw The Matrix last night. That's focused on artificial intelligence back in 1999. Such a good movie last night. Mariah provides health plan artificial intelligence service systems to transfer third-party admin self-funded market. Last 3 quarters, 58%, 29%, going from a loss of $1.21 to a loss of 22 on an increase of 1,000% increase in volume right there at $1.87 on 62 million shares versus its normal 1.5 million shares on a 21 million float and 3% owned by mutual funds. Mariah, getting the Mariah, MRIA at $1.87 to go through 2. Mariah. How about OBLG? A cloud-based management video service to localated throughout the world, baby. Earnings coming out on 5/11, 2.1 million in the float. They're going from a loss of $158 a share to making $4.34 a share. That's the biggest gain I've ever seen in the history of any kind of stock I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen a stock grow that much. And it has 2 million shares in the float. Earnings coming out on 5/11. Used to be $9, going over 345. Base breakout right here. Volume coming in OBLG. Now, where the hell did he get that stock from, dude? From me, bastard. Let's go now. My size. I've been in this thing for 4 years, dude. I've been put it out 19 times, going from a loss of $17 to a loss of $7 on a 1.4 million float. Look at the last 3 quarters. Tell me this shit doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. 999% increase in sales. 999% increase in sales. 999% increase in sales. So damn spot on. It's damn crazy how that stock's going to go for the mojo. And those are my picks that I'll fill in here this week. That's how I do it, guys. Look how good that last trade was, from the top all the way up here, all the way down to the tested bottom down there, and the suck out on that bar, and now it's going back up. Gotta love trading. Gotta be very patient. And that's what we do. So I want to thank everybody for watching, checking out my picks, and doing my trading workshop. I did what I did tonight. If I could have helped you more, you would have asked more questions, so I could have helped. So in that case, peace. I want you all to keep it profitable, keep it safe, and I'll catch you on the next Mojo show later.